Hey everybody, welcome back to another 1986 944 video. Well, this week I'm gonna start cleaning this engine bay. Just gonna do a preliminary clean. It's pretty dusty, pretty dirty. Looks like there's a power steering fluid leak, which is pretty typical with these, but I'm not gonna get too heavily detailed. It's gonna take me probably a good year of working on this thing to get it to the level where I want, but for right now, a lot of the top dirt's gonna come off, so stay tuned. Using one of my detailed brushes here I got on Amazon. Let's see. Now the brand is worn off, but you can find these pretty much anywhere. Just agitating the dust, dirt, and grease. And then what I'm doing is I'm using a spray bottle full of water. I don't want to put a hose on this. I don't like to do that with engines. So this will definitely take a lot longer, but still works. Let me work on this a bit and I'll show you my results. I really enjoy doing this. I find this to be therapeutic. I just don't know why people don't keep all their cars this clean. Little agitation with this and some purple power, and pretty soon it'll look much better. I don't want to say new because this car's old, but what I do is just kind of spray down one section at a time. I wouldn't do the whole entire motor, especially I just drove this, so it's pretty warm. I'm just doing a little section at a time, brushing it, and then rinsing it off. All right, well, I've been working for about probably over an hour. I got the top level of dirt off anyway, to a little more respectable level, but by no means is this finished in my eyes. Like I said, I'll probably take a good year to keep picking away at this and get it to where it's acceptable. That'll include, you know, removing plastics and kind of removing everything I can just to get behind it and under it. But for right now, this is a lot cleaner. I got that power steering leak, which is right there. I got most of that cleaned up. So I guess it'll pretty much wrap up this video. Make sure you subscribe and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this car. I guess stay tuned next week for another video of the 86 944. Until then, we'll catch you on the flip side.